Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in assessing and monitoring the availability and quality of groundwater resources. One such experienced and reliable groundwater surveyor is Ram Puri. With years of experience in the field, Ram Puri has established himself as a trusted expert in groundwater surveying. His expertise and knowledge are invaluable when it comes to understanding the dynamics of groundwater and providing accurate data for various purposes. Ram Puri's approach to groundwater surveying is based on scientific principles and advanced techniques. He utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and technology to accurately measure groundwater levels and conduct detailed assessments of aquifer properties. By using methods such as geophysical surveys, he can determine the depth and thickness of aquifers, as well as their hydraulic properties. This information is essential for efficient water resource management and planning. One of the key aspects of Ram Puri's work is the careful analysis of data collected during the surveying process. He meticulously examines the data to identify trends, patterns, and potential anomalies that could affect the availability and quality of groundwater. This analysis helps in making informed decisions regarding the sustainable use of groundwater resources. Additionally, Ram Puri provides comprehensive reports that outline the findings of the survey and recommend appropriate measures to ensure the long-term viability of groundwater sources. Ram Puri's expertise extends beyond just surveying groundwater resources. He also specializes in designing sustainable solutions for water management. SCON design, which stands for Sustainable Conservation Design, is one of the innovative approaches used by Ram Puri. SCON design focuses on implementing measures that promote water conservation, such as rainwater harvesting, groundwater recharge, and efficient irrigation practices. Groundwater surveyors are essential in determining and keeping track of the quantity and quality of groundwater resources. Ram Puri is one such qualified and dependable groundwater surveyor. Ram Puri, who has worked in the industry for many years, has earned a reputation as a recognized authority in groundwater surveying. When it comes to comprehending the dynamics of groundwater and delivering precise statistics for various purposes, his skills and knowledge are priceless. Ram Puri uses cutting-edge groundwater surveying methods that are based on sound scientific theory. He carries out in-depth analyses of aquifer features while using cutting-edge tools and technology to precisely monitor groundwater levels. He can ascertain the depth and thickness of aquifers as well as their hydraulic qualities by employing techniques like geophysical surveys. For effective water resource management and planning, this knowledge is crucial. Ram Puri's work includes rigorous analysis of data gathered throughout the surveying process, which is one of its important components. He carefully analyzes the data to spot trends, patterns, and possible abnormalities that might have an impact on the quantity and quality of groundwater. Making educated judgments about the sustainable use of groundwater resources is made easier thanks to this analysis. Additionally,